So when you land on your home page for scheduling, you'd want to know how to navigate. It's fairly simple. Navigating in Squarespace Scheduling is made simple. Even if you go in for the first time, you'll find it easy to get all the information. So for starters, everything that you want to access is found on your left side. All you have to do is to scroll this bar. So you'll find that if you want your client list, your invoices, any reports, you can simply access them by clicking these buttons. If you want your scheduling links to customize the appearance of maybe your embedded information on your website, you can customize it here. Creating availability, even your appointment types. Also, you have access to see if you have a website you've bought with Squarespace Scheduling, you can easily access it by coming to the last part here, clicking on it, and it will take you to the main page. This is the main page which shows what you have bought from Squarespace. So if you had a website, it would appear around here, and it would also show that you have bought scheduling. So whenever you log in, you might come to this page. All you have to do to go to your scheduling is to click here on this button, and it will take you back to the main page for the scheduling app that Squarespace is hosting for you. So this takes us back to the home page. On the home page, you'll find that all the bookings that are made will appear here. You can simply click on calendar and this will come out. This is a dummy consultation which is there. If you click it, it will show you all the information about that booking. The person who booked, their phone number, their time zone, whether they have an outstanding payment, any other information, the history. If you want to edit it, you can actually do it directly there. So it's quite simple to access this information. Also, you can change the views. Right now, we are in the week view. We can see things per week. We can also make use of the day view, where you see all the consultations, or rather the events within that day. You can also change that to a month. If you have multiple calendars, here under all calendars, if you click it, you'll be able to change or show one or any calendars that you have and the events that have been put in that calendar. Generally, you can also block time from this section. If you want to block your calendar so that no one books within a particular time, you can block off from here. Anything that you want to access is found either here on top or on your extreme left. That's how you navigate in Squarespace scheduling.